Hello everyone, welcome back to another English lesson with Ingvarta. This is Vani, your English expert. You know, English is not just about learning grammar rules. It is also about the efforts that you put in to expand your vocabulary. And no, don't worry, I am not going to tell you to sit with the dictionary and start mugging up words. All you have to do is make sure that you listen and replace words from your limited vocabulary with advanced English phrases or words so that you sound like an effective English speaker. That means that you have to stop using regular words repeatedly in your daily conversations. Just like the word very. Stop using it again and again. Instead, use advanced phrases or words so that people around are not only impressed with you, but they also learn from you. So today in this video, I would be sharing 5 words that you can use easily to replace very. So let's start with our first word. Exhausted. Exhausted can easily replace very tired. For example, I am very tired when I return home from work. You can say, I am exhausted when I return home from work. Word number 2, adorable. Instead of saying very cute, go with adorable. This morning, when I went for a walk, I saw a very cute little puppy. Or you could say, this morning when I went for a walk, I saw an adorable little puppy. Word number 3, frequently. Very often can easily be replaced with frequently. For example, I fall asleep after 9 very often. You can say, I frequently fall asleep after 9. Word number 4, vibrant. It is one of my favorite words. Instead of saying very colorful, you can go with vibrant. For example, Sheila wore a very colorful dress to the wedding. You can say, Sheila wore a vibrant dress to the wedding. Word number 5, spotless. Replace very clean with spotless. For example, the house was very clean. I was impressed by the maid's work. You can say, the house was spotless. I was impressed by the maid's work. So these are 5 advanced words that you can add to your vocabulary now. So start using them. And now it's time for your assignment. Your assignment is that you have to tell me a phrase that you would use instead of saying very good, and write it in the comments below. I hope to see you very soon in our next video with another amazing English lesson. Till then, take care and happy learning.
Ingvarta, your English practice playground. No judgment, only motivation and constructive feedback. Join today.